Wondering if the dental hygiene career is for you? Should you become a dental hygienist? Let's talk. Hi, my name is Whitney and I'm a dental hygienist here to talk about who the dental hygiene career is for to help you determine whether you want to become a dental hygienist or not. And I'll be using the terms dental hygienist and RDH, which stands for Registered Dental Hygienist, interchangeably throughout this video, so keep that in mind. And before we jump in, if you want to learn even more about becoming a dental hygienist, I have a free RDH video checklist on how to become an RDH, whether you are in high school, college, or even if you're a new RDH grad. No matter where you are on your RDH journey, I'll link below my free RDH video checklist for you to learn everything there is about this amazing dental hygiene career. Now, let's go over 12 different reasons why you might want to be a dental hygienist, starting with number 1, helping people. A healthy, attractive smile is important for everyone, and as a dental hygienist, of course, it's so rewarding to help people look and feel their best. Not only that, but you'll be physically helping people by removing biofilm that might otherwise strain their immune systems. You know, dental cleanings are more than just making the teeth appear shiny and clean, right? A dental cleaning actually removes biofilm that actually causes dental disease. So your skills will not only boost other people's confidence, but you will also improve their overall health. Number 2, flexibility. Want to work 2 or 3 days a week? You're in luck, because a lot of hygienists work flexible and part-time schedules. Some even find offices with extended hours to work evenings or weekends. It all depends on your lifestyle and what you're hoping to achieve. If you work a couple days here and a couple days there every week, it also helps keep things fresh and means you get to meet more people. Dental hygiene is also a great career if you would be interested in filling in as needed, because temp agencies can place you for jobs on the days you're free and the days you want a little extra work. So yeah, dental hygienists usually have the option to work part-time, temp, or even work full-time with benefits, like a 9-to-5 schedule if you wanted, depending on what type of position you're looking for. Number 3, it's an in-demand job. So right now, there's a shortage of dental hygienists. So if you're new to being an RDH, you're not going to have a hard time finding a job. Offices everywhere are hiring, so you almost have your pick on where you want to work. Some are private practices, others are corporate or DSOs. Depending on what you want the benefits to look like and where you want to live, you can rest assured that finding a job as a dental hygienist isn't as challenging as a lot of other careers. Once you get through the schooling, of course, because the schooling can be quite competitive. Speaking of competitive, let's use that term in a more positive way. Number 4, competitive pay. The pay for a dental hygienist is pretty solid. The average national salary is just over $75,000 per year, but it can be a lot more than that depending on where you live. And while temping isn't right for everyone, temping often pays more. Some paying as much as $70 to $90 an hour if you're able to fill in at an office on a short notice. Dental hygiene has always been a great paying job, but keep in mind that while the hourly salary is nice, you'll also want to weigh the pros and cons of working part-time versus full-time. A full-time position will often also come with benefits and health insurance, whereas most part-time roles probably won't. It just depends on the office. Number 5, job security. Like we said, right now there's a huge demand for dental hygienists across the country, but the even cooler thing is that dental hygiene is a career where once you find a great office, an office that you love, you can work there for decades. My coworker, a dental hygienist that I work with, has been in my office for over 30 years, and she is one of the happiest, jolliest people I know. On the other hand, if you are someone who finds yourself moving a lot or relocating often, dental hygiene jobs are usually not very hard to find as long as you're staying within the same state. License transfers differ from state to state, so something to look into if you're considering moving a lot. But within your own state, you're good. Number 6, continuing education. Another reason why you'd want to be a dental hygienist is you're always learning. RDHs are lifelong learners because the dental industry and patient care trends are always evolving. Every year, you'll get the chance to attend continuing education courses to stay on top of the latest trends in the industry. That means you'll be taking in-person or online training courses in various areas of dental care. Sometimes it even means a fun weekend trip with the dental team to attend an out-of-town conference. And as you learn more information and skills, you'll get to immediately start incorporating them into your practice, which is pretty cool. Number 7, autonomy. Unlike dental assistants, hygienists are able to care for patients independently and only with limited supervision by a dentist. So depending on your state laws, every state is different, but you may be able to provide services without a dentist in the building. Some states even allow hygienists to own their own practices. In that case, you would actually hire a dentist to work for you. Awesome. Number 8, Opportunities for specialization. Most hygienists work in family practice or a general dental office setting, but not all of them. You have the option of working in specialty practices such as pediatrics, periodontics, orthodontics, or even an office focused on cosmetic dentistry. So for example, if you love working with kids, you might consider working at a pediatric office in the future. The career is really what you make of it. Number 9, personal fulfillment. Becoming a hygienist isn't exactly a cakewalk. You'll complete some tough classes in school, and then you'll need to take national board exams and state board exams before you're licensed to work. After that, you'll be responsible for educating patients to help better their lives on a day-to-day basis. You'll have a feeling of knowing you've put in the work and that it's paid off. Not just for you, but for the patients you care for, which is extremely rewarding and fulfilling. Number 10, a collaborative work environment. Hygienists are team players. They often pre-screen patients for conditions and then hand them off to the dentist for formal diagnoses and treatment planning. They also work with assistants in the office to ensure a streamlined care process. Even though an RDH usually has their own room that they're working in most of the day, they also communicate and collaborate with other dental team members for comprehensive patient care strategies. Number 11, hands-on work. If you're great with your hands, you can make a great dental hygienist. RDHs have to have great tactile skills and hand-eye coordination and manual dexterity. You'll find that a lot of people in the industry are also fairly artistic and have a keen eye for detail because of the extremely small surfaces they work with each day. As a dental hygienist, you'll get to use both manual and electronic instruments to care for patients' teeth while also being gentle on the soft tissues around them. And if you're worried about viewing such a small area, no worries. Loupes are magnifying glasses that help us properly see inside of the mouth. And number 12, sense of accomplishment and lifelong career. What you do as a dental hygienist can change a person's health and social life. Not only is it satisfying to see the before and after results of someone's cleaning, we've all seen those on Instagram and TikTok, the way patients look in the mirror, you get a feeling of pride in what you've done. Being a hygienist is so rewarding that many RDHs continue to work in the field for 30 plus years, like I said with my coworker, and they really make clinical hygiene their sole profession. And having said all of this, please know that you don't have to be obsessed with all 12 of these points that we just went over, but a few of them resonating with you is what matters. Because regardless of your why, just know that dental hygiene is a job that can be extremely rewarding, enjoyable, and if you like the idea of working with patients every day, making a difference in the lives of others, earning competitive pay, and the flexibility of a full or part-time job, then dental hygiene is a great career for you. So if you think you are someone who is interested in the dental hygiene career, one more time I'd like to remind you of my free RDH video checklist. I made this video checklist especially for you because I get lots of questions in the comments and messages asking me how to become a dental hygienist. There are so many different schooling routes and degree options. So whether you are in high school, college, or even some of you may have already graduated dental hygiene school and you're looking for more information post-graduation, whatever the case, to learn everything there is about the dental hygiene career, be sure to click the link below and in the pinned comment. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if it did. And if you want more teeth talk, you can visit my website, teethtalkgirl.com, and hang out with me on Instagram @teethtalkgirl. Peace, love, and teeth.